Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Hatu pikwa baki janjong pikin kuit ha benar kam da ka Oswell Soup hilaban yo na barok kidukan
ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ka jingkuli nursing but paramedical course hospital training hinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam haki hospital bahedo India but shabari na banta ka jingkuli ka jingseo ka paret but hila ban legu ban kuli da ka education loan hila ruban chukola ho number khandai nyo saw san riu pranot lani khandai pran riu license arn riwe khandai pra
ka office jang superintendent of police ka West Jaiñtia district ha ka arpun riu trik ujliu arhazar arpulai klara khi ya ka international day against drug abuse and illicit trafficking arhazar arpulai halor kapang people first stop stigma and discrimination strengthen prevention ha ka Jingïatreilang balapanyan da ka deputy superintendent of police ka kong CW lingdok la sakhi lang do superintendent of police jang ka West Jaiñtia district uba C serti kinong hikai berki khna school na ki nyautli school jang ka district ya ka jingpen shai halo ka jingma jong drugs la ajing batai ka babnia daw additional superintendent of police u Dr. VDS Rambai but na ka kongpi sumer ka badai ka outreach worker jong ka MCAWA but na uba H Sinkon
whereby he will not have the capability to reason to do what's right or to do what's wrong, but his daily activities will be controlled by the drugs chemical. And in time, when a person consumes drugs, it shattered the family that he comes from. As Sir has expressed earlier, that drugs is a chemical that requires money. And to procure drugs, you will require constant supply of money, and with time, you will not afford to have the money to buy drugs, as it is also not a substance which is very cheap. And with this, you will start selling off what you have, maybe initially your mobile phone, your shoes, your clothes, and thereby you will start lying to your parents, to your brothers and sisters, with an intention to get money. So one method that he resort to is to steal from places from his own home or from the locality. And the other method, what drug addict usually does is they sell drugs to other people, and out of the benefits that he made out of selling drugs, he will use it to procure drugs for his own consumption. As one important factor that we should incorporate in our life, that is quality family time, because the foundation of life starts from family. We become what we are based on the guidance that is being imparted on us by our parents, by our elders, brothers and sisters. Based on the research that is being done, it has been found out that a large number of drug users come from families who are not having the quality family time, or families who does not have a good family background, whereby the children, they don't have proper guidance from their parents. So family is one important thing in life, and one way of getting out of drugs is to have a good quality time of counseling within the family itself. Who don't have the opportunity like how you have, spread the message of the ill effects of drug abuse so that others will be informed. Next thing is you must be surrounded yourself with good people. Basically, in life, the first foundation is family, the second is school, and the third is your peers group. Because there are lots of things that you'll be doing in your day-to-day activities is based So choose good friends in order to do good things. But if you involve yourself in bad companies, you will end up doing bad activities.
You should be, right? When there are thousands of people, hundreds of people around us who are abused by drugs, right? And some of them because of financial problems, because of family problems, because of this problem, boyfriend problem, girlfriend problems. Yes, they get into not just drugs, but other substances. Now today, as students, as you come together here, I know that you are having the opportunity to be here, to witness this awareness when there are some of your friends out there, right? It's not that they are just being abused, but it is drugs that they need now. There's so many of them who wants to get out of this, who wants to get out of drinking, who wants to get out of substances, but they can't. So it is your duty, it is our duty to tell them, to help them, and to tell them, I'll stand by you. Can you do that for your friends? When you go out there, be there for your friend. He might want to get out of it, so be there for them saying, I will stand by you, okay?
Te dang yok chana paisa ni yung nasam ne bigi ma gi wo ne dang chania ki bru te kamojo ong te ki por wa ka college with man ga chise jisnam karwa nga chhau sen jisnam wa to wa yok chana paisa ni yung du chi pet college with te han yok chana paisa yok Droks. Coba ngam sirin sama tu kita gilok aku with Droks ki mem sirin ki tang yo uyedung lang lau jo sirin ngam ne free ki habe ki nga chitain nei tu with te di dung di share do jo sirin emba ong ai fi wa emba wa mi yau ta na jrong wa hai tu por mbo em kata ka kejut HIV Chinese te emba memyo ka hado kani jing support yang kurim utang ki piyung ki para ki lok ki jo wai wa kamjo la ile wa yan hado ne po ya hai ni wa to wa em ka support yang nei ni na de la wa ro ya te ngadu ini don ikente no nei be wa snyao ba jingai no rocks la de pass la de pel la be ham jo enjoy da kijingdi memang ata Drok ham jo enjoy da kijingdi mot ki kijingdi gam ki piar kam ki kiat ham jo enjoy da gitu nei ba gitu lead ki phi cha kijingdi Drok pen ben ki ai ta ja be nyong phi yo poi phi mana em than wo di Drok sa ja nyong phi mana hai phi yo piat ye kiat Wong itu dak sikarwa nyeri wong ho nei bha wa to wa phi mem de phi ha kata kasen ko phi ye phi wong ho ne te mong 100% 50% above ye phi ha chok Droks